Today's video is about adding products to your store. If you've seen a previous video, you'll know how to get to the store admin. Once there, you come here to the top and you see it says Add Product. So we'll click on Add Product. First item we'll see it says Select Category. Simply means what category is the product that you're entering going to be in. We can click on the drop down menu here, which is the downward pointing arrow. It displays to us the listing of the current categories that are in the store. Choose a category for the product that you're trying to enter. For this example, we'll choose crystals. Give a product name. Just simply write whatever you'd like. However, make sure that in your product name as well as your product descriptions, you do not use quotation marks, exclamation points, or apostrophes. It's extremely important to remember that, so write that down. Quotation marks, exclamation points, and apostrophes are not to be used in product names or descriptions. Good. Next, we have very simple. Think about the product that you're trying to enter. Is it a product that will require personalization of some kind? I'm going to probably guess that most of you will have this to be the answer of yes. This whole entire site is about personalization, so that's a pretty good guess. Next, put in the price. Do not enter the dollar sign. Do not enter the currency. Okay, it's just the price. So for this example, we're just going to charge $30 for it. Size would be the dimension of the product. However, again, be very careful. You do not want to enter in the quotes. For example, you do not want to write 30 inches like that. You would have to spell out the word. Okay, quotation marks are not to be used. I cannot stress that enough. Next line, enter the HTML for your product description here. You do not need to know how to write any HTML. You do not need to know any coding. Simply put in a description. Just write in whatever you like, and that will come across in the retail product. Next, the image file. We need to show a picture for the actual product. So this presupposes that you already have a picture on your computer. We're going to browse the computer. Let's pick a picture of any kind. It doesn't really matter for now. And you see here the next line, it automatically populated or filled in this box. That is the name of the picture that we chose. 99.9% of the time, the next box, which is option file, you'll click on the drop down menu and you're going to choose, again, 99.9% of the time, person2line.html. This is very important because it tells the system what the product type is. So if it's a product that's going to require someone to upload a picture and give them the option of inputting any kind of text or personalization that they would like, which is going to be most of the products that you're entering, then you would choose person2line.html. Shipping weight is critical to change. If you would like to do something like run a sale, give free shipping on a product, then it's simple. All you have to do is keep shipping weight at 0.00. That will mean that the system will not charge the customer for shipping because it doesn't have a weight. If we want to charge for shipping, then we put in the weight of the product. Let's say the crystal is 2 pounds, so we're simply going to write 2. Next item, inventory. The system will track the inventory you will put in a number for the inventory. You will, when the sale is made, it will automatically subtract the item from inventory. So it's a pretty good way of keeping track of it. However, since you're making personalized products, chances are you're not going to track this inventory. So therefore, you would leave it at blank. Put nothing there. If you were to put a 0, then the product would not be shown to the retail customer. It would be here in the store for future use, but it would not be shown to the customer. Next item, keywords. Here's where you're going to put in any words that you think are going to be used by people who are searching for a product, maybe in Google, and they would input, for example, photo gifts or photo crystals, anything that you think would be important for someone to be able to find this product on the internet. Make sure if you're going to put in more than one keyword, make sure, as it says here, separate each keyword by a comma. So, for example, let's say we're going to put in crystal, and we want to add something else. We will put crystal, comma, gift. So here I have 2 separate keywords. Next item, related item numbers. This simply means if you think that this crystal is related to another product that's in your store, you would put in the item number here. So if someone were to look at your store and buy this crystal, maybe they were doing it for someone in the military, and you think that, or you would like to steer them to also purchasing a military photo throw, then you would put the number of the item that you feel is related to this here in this box. That would be not the name of the item, it would be the product number. Same thing goes for related item number 2, related item number 3. The SKU number is your SKU number. It is simply a way for you to keep track of it. Let's say you have a brick and mortar type store and your SKU for this crystal might not be crystal. It might be some other number. It might be a group of letters and numbers. It could be whatever it is that you want. This would be a way for you to track your own inventory and know that this product that was ordered is actually this number or this SKU in your store. It is not a necessary item for you to enter. Unique discount code we will cover in a future video. Once you're finished with all of this, simply on the bottom here, it says Add Product. Click on Add Product. It tells you item successfully added, and you're done. Tomorrow's video, we'll learn how to edit the product. Thank you.